Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix 2xKO crashing. First, restart your computer. A simple restart can solve temporary glitches. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your GPU drivers are up to date for both NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Update Windows. Make sure your operating system and DirectX are updated to the latest versions. Close other applications. Close any other games, overlay software such as Discord and NVIDIA Overlay, and overclocking tools before launching 2xKO. Security and compatibility settings. Temporarily disable Windows security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection settings and turn off real-time protection. Re-enable it after the game has launched successfully. Run as administrator. Right-click on the 2xKO executable and shortcut, then select Run as administrator. Allow through antivirus. Make sure the game and its folders are added into the exclusion list in both Windows Security and any third-party antivirus software. Game file and installation issues. Repair game files. Use the Riot client to repair the game files. You may need to click the repair button multiple times. Delete corrupted files. Close Riot Vanguard, then delete the line folder in user profile /appdata/local and the 2xKO closed beta folder in the Riot Games directory. Perform a clean install. Uninstall the game and then reinstall it. This can sometimes resolve issues that persist after other steps. Advanced troubleshooting. Perform a clean boot. This helps identify if a background program is causing conflicts. And finally, reinstall Visual C++ redistributables. Ensure you have both the x86 and x64 versions installed, and repair them if prompted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.